Well, this wasn't the kind of video I was planning on making, but here we are, and I don't know, off the 10 in Arizona somewhere. Beautiful background though, look at this. And Bluey's alternator decided to die today. So we're playing in some sand, we're getting towed to Indio, hopefully gonna get it fixed overnight tonight, and then we will continue our trek. But unplanned, but other than that, she's running great. Who needs a battery anyways, right? Bye family, hope you find a forever home. Good news, truck's running, which is interesting. We didn't really expect it to be working, but I don't think it's an alternator issue. I think it's something else. And she turned on my lockers. Okay. So we are just kind of letting her breathe for a little bit. We're about 45 minutes from the mechanic to kind of get a reading on what's going on. But it should be business as normal. We have another about 6 hours. 6 hours probably ahead of us. Once we get this all tuned up and driving, so should be all good. Oh my gosh, she's hitting everything. All right, good news everybody. It was a blown ECU fuse. So we're back to it. We got everything fixed. Back to driving.